Today we are going to be feeding on the word fair value. Textbook will say fair value is the agreed price for an asset in a market transaction when a buyer and seller freely negotiate. In all this grammar, basically what a fair value is that fair value is the actual price that you will be able to get when you decide to sell an asset this very minute. Yes. Let's take for instance that you own a company and you decided that you want to know the market value or the actual value of your company. Then you called a holding company to come and revalue your company and tell you like the estimated market price. Whichever price that the person tells you is the value, the fair value of your company. It's possible that when you actually want to sell the company that the price will change. Let's bring it down a bit to assets and liabilities. Let's start with non-current assets like motor vehicles, furnitures, and the rest of them. When you want to revalue them, when you want to know the value that you will get if you have to sell them, and then at the end of the day, probably you got a price of 2 million naira. 2 million naira is the fair value because that is the estimated price that you have to get when you sell the non-current assets. And if you have to bring it down further, I know that some of us are actually doing this, probably when you own something, or probably when you own a phone. Yes, exactly. When you own a phone and maybe you no longer you don't want to use that phone any longer, then probably you contact someone that knows someone that sells a phone and you ask, how much will I be able to get this phone? Give me an estimated price I'll be able to recover if I'm to sell the phone. Whatever the price that the person gave you is the fair value of the phone. It is also possible that when you are ready to swap or to sell that phone, it is not that price that you sell it for. I hope with this that we now understand what a fair value is. And if there is any financial word that you are finding it difficult to understand, you can actually drop it in the comment section and we'll feed on it in our next video. Bye.